Good morning, RAS users. So I want to quickly demonstrate a really cool feature in HEC-RAS that you may not know about. It's called the Graphical Cross-Section Editor. So let's go over to the Geometry window, and if you go up to this Tools menu item, you can see we've got this option for Graphical Cross-Section Editor right here. If I click on that, let me fit it in the screen here a little bit. You can see what we have are all of our cross sections. If you don't like this velocity distribution, you can turn that off in the cross section viewer. But within this window here, we have a lot of really convenient, easy to use features. Things like moving the bank stations around. All these buttons up here, they tell you how to move the bank stations. You can click this one here, and that allows you to simply place them wherever you'd like. Okay, or you can toggle them with these, the right bank or the left bank buttons. Really cool. These allow you to just quickly move them to the outside of the cross section, and this one takes them back. Really good stuff. And then if you go to the options, alternatively you can right click on this screen here. You've got several different features that you can add in here. We can add station elevation points to this. If I wanted to put a few points in here, I could click there, there. Maybe I want to construct a little side channel like this. I can just click some points there. If I right click, I can maybe add some normal ineffective flows. Maybe I want to put one right there. And maybe another one there. Or maybe I want to put in some blocked ineffective areas. In which case, maybe I want to do that right here. Like that. Notice it changes the original ineffectives to blocked, so you have to do some adjustment there. That's really easy to do. You just right click and go to move objects. And then I can click this guy right here and I can move this where I want to put it. Like that. Okay, and now I've got an ineffective over there. Can add levies if you want. Blocked obstructions, or sorry, blocked ineffective areas. Normal obstructions. A lot of different features in here. Really cool. If you messed up and you're not happy with it, you can always go to Options, Undo Edits. One of the very few places in HEC-RAS where you'll actually get an Undo Edits feature. So that's really cool. And then if you want to take it even further, we can compare different geometries on the same plot here. So if I wanted to, say, compare a geometry where I've got cross sections that are surveyed and I want to merge those into a terrain cross section, so something that maybe comes off of a LiDAR elevation data set, I can compare both of those geometries here, and then I can actually go one step further and merge those cross sections. Really cool, really easy to do. One last thing I want to show you in the graphical cross section editor here are the end values can be edited right here in this window. I can move them around if I'd like to. Maybe I don't want them right on the bank stations. I can shift them over like that. Or I can even change the value just by clicking on the number. And I've changed the value in that cross section. Cool stuff. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it's useful to you. And we'll see you next time. Thank you.